Good day, dear employers in Hong Kong. My name is Feta Giang, 27 years old, married. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. At present, I am working here in Singapore as domestic helper. I will finish my contract by September 12. But it is okay with my present employer to accept interviews. That's why I'm applying work in Hong Kong. Here in Singapore, when I just arrived, there were 2 kids to take care of. Both of them are boys. At that time, they were 10 and 13 years old. Madam and Sir are sending them to school. They are hands-on employer. Both of them are lawyers and a good employer. For the kids, every morning I wake them up to take a bath and prepare breakfast for them. I also prepare snacks and water to bring to school. I help them also to wear their uniforms, carry their bags, things, and bring them to the car. They are whole day in school. In the afternoon, when they are come back, sometimes I cook lunch for them and prepare their clothes to change. I always make snacks for them. I bake pizza, bake cookies, and I cut fruits for them every day. I also assist them if they have school activities and extra activities aside from school. Sometimes we go and play badminton and we go swimming together. I have a good relationship with them. I can do also cooking, cleaning, car washing, and ironing. I clean a very big house. I want to work Hong Kong to earn money. I hope you will hire me. I'm cooking here in Singapore and I'm willing to learn Hong Kong dishes. Please hire me and I hope I can serve your family in few months to come. Thank you and have a good day.